Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Google account by requiring a second form of verification. Follow these steps to enable it quickly. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your email and password. Make sure you have access to your account before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once signed in, click on the Security tab located in the left sidebar of your Google account page. This section contains all security-related settings. Step 3. Find two-step verification. Scroll down to the Signing into Google section. Here, you will see an option for two-step verification. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Start the setup process. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Choose your verification method. Select your preferred method for receiving verification codes, such as via text message or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to complete the setup, and make sure to save backup codes in case you lose access to your primary method. Once you've completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be enabled for your Google account, enhancing your security.